Hi folks, we want to say a big thank you to all of you for watching our videos. We love making them and have 4 new recipes that will be released soon. Our videos hopefully help you to enjoy the recipes you've grown to love, but without any of the animal products.
Please like, subscribe and tell your friends about us. We want to open our own diner, the Two Brothers Kitchen, and need your help. We would also love to open a rescue centre and animal sanctuary right next door to the diner, so you can come and see the animals as well as enjoy some good food. What you do does make a difference, a huge difference. Thank you so much. Hopefully we will see you in our diner soon. Our dad draws portraits of animals on Facebook, so you can go to our Facebook page and commission him to do one. All the proceeds will go towards building the diner and the sanctuary. We will put a link below soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Elliott.
Thank you very much for watching. I'm Isen.
And smile and... Okay, Elliot, no pressure. Oh, my dinner's getting cold.
Yeah. I've tried it. Come on,
Go on.
I'm still recording.
You've grown to love. No.
Go on,
no,
that's
no,
it.
no.
All right.